Hello, this is Daniel Melcher with Life Realty, the district, and I'm here at my new listing, 8985 Durango Drive, Unit 2134, and I'm about to take you on a tour. This property is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's going for $180,000. I wanted to begin the tour outside in the little patio area because behind me, this is the view you get to look at every day. Come home, get out of here, and you got the pool. The heated spa, you can actually see it steaming out there in the distance. Let me see if I can't find it. Yeah, wintertime, you can have a heated spa. As we enter the unit, you come over here to the left. To your right, there's the laundry room, the bathroom ahead, and here's the second bedroom. It's got a view of the front area. Come around. You do have to share the bathroom with the guest, but you do have a good door access to it. You have a nice large walk-in closet. It is a dual sink. Nice sized bathroom. Tub shower combo. Every room in here has very tall ceilings. The great room slopes down a little bit, but it makes it feel huge. Over to the left is the master. Two windows, two mirrored closets. Floors just got cleaned, that's why I got booties on. And inside here is the master bath. Also dual sink.